M0FXB, welcome to my channel. So my son has managed to spill hot chocolate all over this budget keyboard. You can buy these for about £7. So all you do is take off, there's like 10 screws on the back that I will show you. Turn it over. The back needs a good clean, but I've been working at the moment on the front. Now, I always buy alcohol pads because you can buy about 50 for a few pounds. There you go. Of course, playing radio in the background. 40 meters. There's actually a net here on Fusion VK6, which is quite good on the DV Mega. I've got network radios running here. FT500 is monitoring WR. DMR, and then we've got 10 meters in the background. And listen to this. This is like a throwaway radio. If I turn it up, GB3FI.
Yeah, good morning. I assumed from the script it was the equipment he had in the UK, his British
Works great.
station. There was the
Down here is the Vero N7500, look. Very nifty radio, there's all the channels. 50 watt dual band radio. So anyway, we're going back to this keyboard. I took the screws off, so then the keypad lifts off. That's quite easy to clean, and the good thing about this one is that the keys don't fall out, which is not bad for a budget one. So just move them back and forth and clean them all individually. You don't want them sticking in. Then you get this pad here. See it here. I mean, it's such a budget item, and you've got there's no water got onto the circuit board, so it's literally just this underneath here is just like imagine this being hundreds of wires. So you just need to make sure you clean all that with the alcohol wipes. Clean it all underneath as well, and it actually does lift up. So get under it, and there'll be dirt under there, which I've cleaned a lot of it. So you clean it both sides, although it does actually seem to me like a sealed unit. So the problem might more be that when these are all full of hot chocolate, that they're sticking. So the buttons, two buttons at the same time, are sticking in, so it's confusing the whole thing. But I've cleaned it up on the inside. We will clean the outside as well, and then we'll just, it does clip apart. You've got some clips here all round. Sort of clip it into place, and then I'll clean it more. And for about, you know, the wipes, the amount that I've used, they cost about 10p. So it's well worth it. If you've got an old keyboard, every keyboard's different. And always playing radio. 40 meters here. I've known it busier in the morning, but it'll pick up. It always does. And then WR going well.
window of the property. But it's a glorious morning here on Lundy, absolutely fabulous morning. I've been on 6 meters, had a few QSO.
DV Megacast. So bye for now, 7-3.